नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी तंबाके सर. आज आपण या व्हिडिओच्या भागामध्ये इयत्ता 10वीतील इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट 2.2 द बॉय हू ब्रोक द बँक या पाठातील प्रश्नोत्तरांचा भाग पाहणार आहोत. वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट. क्वेश्चन 1. टॉक विथ युअर ग्रुप अबाउट सम रिसेंट rumor when people believed at first and suffered for it later. Answer. Last month, someone spreaded the rumor that there would be thunderstorm in Marathwada. The people believed on it at first. They did not came out of their home for 2 days, but it did not come true. Second question, how one can decide whether some news is a fact or a fake? Answer, one can decide whether some news is a fact or fake by taking an opinion of an experienced and wise person. One can check the fact by watching the news. Next question, who do you think are responsible for spreading false news? Answer, the people who are whimsical are responsible for spreading false news. Next question, do you believe in all the news that you come across? Answer, no, I don't believe in all the news. First, I check the fact. Next question, give one example of rumor which seemed to be fact in the beginning. Later, it was proved false. Answer, last week someone spreaded the rumor that our country, India, would face the problem of grains and food. Many people bought the things by paying extra amount. Later, the news proved fake. Next, margin questions. Question number 1. Name the characters of the story. Answer, Nathu, Sita Ram, Seth Govindaram, Mrs. Srivastava, Mrs. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan, Kamal Kishore, Deep Chand, an elderly gentleman, Ganpat, an old beggar. The bank manager are the characters of the story. Question 2. Which action of Nathu shows his annoyance? Answer, Nathu was cleaning the steps very hurriedly and carelessly by raising the dust. He also banged his pan against a dustbin. He was annoyed as he had not received his pay from the bank. Question 3. How do you show your annoyance? Answer, I show my annoyance by banging or kicking things in the hall or kitchen. I also show my annoyance by speaking loudly. Next, question number 4. To whom did Sitaram talk about Nathu? Answer, Sitaram talked to Mrs. Srivastav about Nathu. Question 5. Why was Mrs. Bhushan uncomfortable? Answer, Mrs. Bhushan was uncomfortable because she was feeling very hot in the summer. She was fanning herself with a large handkerchief. Question number 6. Which shop was just next to photography shop? Answer, a barber shop was next to the photography shop. Question number 7. Who did Deep Chand call a bird? Answer, Deep Chand called Seth Govindaram a bird. Question 8. Who was Mr. Bhushan talking to? Answer, Mr. Bhushan was talking to Mr. Kamal Kishore, who was a photography shop owner. Question 9. Who surprised everyone and how? Answer, Old Ganpat the beggar surprised everyone by leaping to his feet and actually running at top speed in the direction of the bank. Question 10. What were the four rumors about Seth Govindaram? Answer, the four rumors about Seth Govindaram were as follows. 1. The Seth had fled the state. 2. He had fled the country. 3. He was hiding in People Nagar. 4. He had hanged himself from the tamarind tree. Question 11. Who was the last to know about the People Nagar Bank? Answer, Nathu was the last to know about the People Nagar Bank. When he arrived next morning to sweep the steps of the bank from the washerman's boy, he came to know about the bankrupt. Next, English workshop. Question 1. Who am I? Identify the character from the extract. A. I am the washerman's son. Who am I? Answer, Sitaram. B. I am the owner of the bank. Who am I? Answer, Seth Govindaram. C. I am the sweeper. Who am I? Answer, Nathu. D. I am the friend of Mrs. Srivastav. Who am I? Answer, Mrs. Bhushan. E. I am the hairdresser. Who am I? Answer, Deepchand. F. I have a crooked leg. Who am I? Answer, Ganpat. Next question. 2. Make a list of customers of People Nagar Bank from the extract. Answer, Deepchand, an elderly gentleman, Ganpat, the tailor, and the beetle sailor are the customers of People Nagar Bank. Now, next question 3. Match the following and write the complete meaningful sentences. Answer is given in the column B. Group A. 1. Sitaram was looking out for any job that might suit Nathu. 2. According to Mrs. Bhushan, it was the hottest summer in the history of People Nagar. 3. Govindaram was holidaying in Kashmir. And 4. The manager told the customers to go home and come back the next day. Question 4. Write who said to whom. A. Don't raise such dust. Answer. Sitaram said to Nathu. B. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? Answer. Nathu said to himself. C. Where did you disappear? Answer. Mrs. Bhushan said to her husband. D. The birds has flown. Answer. An elderly gentleman said to Deepchand. Question 5. Why was the manager of the bank in a dilemma? Write down in 5 to 6 lines in your notebook. Answer. The small bank had gone through all its ready cash, and so the harassed manager was in a dilemma. The bank was short of cash. Emergency fund could only be obtained from another bank some 30 miles distant, and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. There was no way of contacting said Govindaram, who was on his houseboat in Kashmir, so the manager was in a great dilemma. Next, question 6. Cross out the odd man. A. Sweeper, hooligan, beggar, declare, locker. Answer, declare. B. Hurriedly, carelessly, salary, definitely, suddenly. Answer, salary. C. Eminent, latest, pavement, A-full, shocking. Answer, pavement. D. Morning, scattering, raising, collecting, shouting. Answer, morning. Question 7. Find the describing words for the following from the text. Answer 1. Customary tour. 2. Photography shop. 3. Glass window. 4. Crooked legs. Question 8. Complete the following table. या 8व्या प्रश्नामध्ये वर्ब, नाउन, ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आणि ॲडव्हर्बचे शब्द दिलेले आहेत. गाळलेल्या ठिकाणची उत्तरं तिथंच दिलेली आहेत. एक्झाम्पल पे, पेमेंट, पेबल, पेबली. 2. सडननेस, सडन, सडनली. 3. डिक्लेअर, डिक्लेरेशन, डिक्लेरेबल. 4. cheer, cheer, cheerful आणि cheerfully. Next question 9. Write in your own words a few sentences about each of the following. 1. Nathu. Nathu was sweeper working with the People Nagar Bank owned by Seth Govindaram. He was annoyed because the bank had not paid his salary, though they were the last days of the month. He was sweeping hurriedly and carelessly because he was not happy with the owner. He was thinking of leaving the job. B. Mrs. Srivastav. Mrs. Srivastav is a rich lady. She has a maid to look after her baby, and the maid also does household chores such as cooking. Mrs. Srivastav is fond of shopping. She is talkative. She told Mrs. Bhushan in the market that the bank owner does not give salary to his employees even if she is not sure. C. Said Govindaram. Said Govindaram is wealthy person and a banker too. He owns the People Nagar Bank. He is an enjoyable person. He spends his holidays in Kashmir. He takes rest on his houseboats in Kashmir. He does not keep contact with anyone when he enjoys. D. Sitaram. Sitaram is a son of washerman. He is hardworking. He delivers the clothes to his customers. He is careful for his friend. He tries to seek a suitable job for his friend. He also suggests his friend how to work. Sitaram uses a bicycle to deliver the clothes to his customers. 10. Expand the theme in a write-up of about 20 lines. Books are our real friends. You may use the points given on course book page number 54. Answer. Books are our real friends. Books are our never failing friends. They have their own values. As we need food for our body, so we need books for our mind. They are our closest friends who give us precious wealth of knowledge and experience. They deal with various subjects in the world and on every aspect of our life. They are the world of treasures. The book entertain us, advise us, and give comfort and contentment to our soul, and most importantly, they impart wisdom that helps us throughout our life. They help us in our suffering, depression, and soothe our soul. Next, collect the names of books written by Ruskin Bond. The names of some books which were written by Ruskin Bond are as follows: 1. The Room of the Roof, 2. The Bay from the Hills, 3. The Night Train at Deoli, 4. The Flight of Pigeons, and 5. All Roads Lead to Ganga. Language study. Complete the sentences given below using your own adjective clauses. 1. I know of a schoolboy who is mischievous. 2. I know the joke that was very funny. 3. I know of a doctor who is an eye specialist. 4. I know of a place where a great saint lived. And 5. I know the reason why he left the city. Next, rewrite the following sentences using them with when, where, which and why. 1. Sitaram had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes which he balanced it on his head. B. A large shady tamarind tree grew at one end of bazaar where Mrs. Srivastav found her friend Mrs. Bhushan there. C. The People Nagar Bank has stopped paying employees when it is about to collapse. D. He had finished his work where he sat down on the highest step. मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर तुम्ही नक्कीच सबस्क्राईब आणि शेअर करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.